Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be going over the K053 FiFine microphone. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested about this microphone. Alright, so here we go. Let's get the autofocus going, right? Alright, so it comes in a nice little box right here. Let's open it up. Give it a little shimmy. Alright, so it comes here with the FiFine Technology User's Guide. Let's go over that real quickly. Alright, the version is 0404-2018 K053. You can actually register your product online and get a 2-year extended warranty, which is pretty freaking cool. Just some specs right there, if you're interested in that. Alright, the microphone callouts, I'll just get it up close so you guys can read that. Quality microphone capsule with cardioid pickup pattern, 6.56 foot USB cable, a 3.5mm jack audio output for a monitor. You can actually plug in your headphones right there into the little 3.5mm jack and monitor your own voice. Pretty cool. Aluminum undermount shield high-speed USB connector to the USB, the intro on how to do this, and a quick start and all that stuff. A quick start for Apple, Mac OS also. At the end of the video, I'll be leaving the full manual so you guys can read it just in case you have one and you lost your manual and you want to ask a question or you just want to read the manual or something. So yeah, it comes in handy. Nice of them to include this for us. Alright, so this is part of the unit. That is the USB part of it. FiFine right there. And looks pretty cool. Plastic shell. Let's open it up. Before we get to the wiring, I have opened this before if it's not obvious. So it didn't come in a jumble of wires like you're about to see. It was actually pretty neatly packed. So that good on FiFine Technology for that. And bet on me for not packing it back like that. Alright, now that that's gone, let's just leave that over there. Alright, so here you go. Here's the USB part of it, the USB dongle device here. There's actually a little sound card in here, that's why it's a little bigger than normal. And when you plug it into your computer on the USB port, these actually light up and turn blue. Pretty cool. And here is the 3.5mm headphone jack where you can plug in your headphones, I don't know, like HyperX Clouds, your Skull Candies, your Sennheisers for some of my friends out there. And here's the cable that comes with it. I know it's a little jumbled, sorry about that, guys. 6.56 foot. I wish it would have been a little bit more stronger, but it gets the job done. Don't just, don't be pulling it all the time. Alright, so here's the actual mic itself. Comes with a little windscreen or pop filter, whatever you want to call it. The cool thing here is that since you do clip this on, since it is a lav mic, clip this onto your shirt or your sweater or whatever. The cool thing about this is that if you guys can't tell, that's actually a metal. That's not a plastic part. Pretty cool because a plastic part would wear out pretty quickly. And yeah, it's like a aluminum or something. Pretty cool. Anyways, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. And right now I'm gonna go do a sound test for you guys so you guys can hear how cool this sounds.
Okay, what's going on, Epic Gamers? I am now using the FiFine K053 USB lavalier microphone. So I know I glossed over the specs earlier. I am going to read it off to you guys right now, and I'll have it on screen too so you guys can read along with me. Sensitivity, -38 ±3 decibels. Output impedance, 680. Directivity, unidirectional. Frequency range, 50 through 16,000 hertz. Operation voltage, 5 volts. Minimum operation voltage, 1.0 volts. Current consumption, 0.5 mA, signal to noise ratio 56 dB, and I'll have that on screen for you guys to check out if you want to see the specs also. So yeah, this is how the microphone sounds, how the FiFine K053 sounds. I'm getting confused here because they have another microphone called the K052, which is very similar in naming schemes, of course. And yeah, this is the quality of the K053 FiFine microphone. I don't know how it sounds to you guys. It sounds pretty good to me compared to the other stuff I've been using to record. For reference, I'm going to insert a little sound clip of me recording with my headphones integrated microphone so you guys can compare that with the quality that the FiFine K053 is doing right now. So I'm going to put the clip in right now.
Okay, everybody, this is a very short test of the integrated microphone that my headphones came with. So this is the stuff I've been using to record primarily for a couple of videos that you might have not or have listened to. Depends if you like the stuff. And yeah, this is the quality of the headphones. And I'm going to switch back to the FiFine microphone.
All right, so stay tuned.
Okay, so there's the obvious quality difference right there. I'm back on the K053, as you might have noticed. Okay, Epic Gamers, so what do I think of this microphone? I like it. I like it a lot. It's very small, simple to use. It's really plug and play, honestly. You don't have to go to any website, install any like obscure drivers. There's no compatibility issues. It works for Mac and PC, so if you're not a PC guy, which you should be, you Mac guys also have a chance. So good for you guys too. What else? It's very portable. Literally, you can put it in your pocket, literally, and you can just take it with you wherever you go. Perfect for those like people who travel, I don't know, to like Japan, Russia, you know, Mexico, wherever you want to travel and do your travel vlogs. A nice little microphone, you just slip it in your pocket and boom, you're ready to go. And you got some decent quality to go with you and your video. Do I recommend it? Yeah, I recommend it, especially if you're using laptop mics to record, or you're using a integrated headset microphone, or if you're using a less than stellar microphone from a smartphone, which a lot of people have these days. Smartphone microphones are everywhere these days, because everyone has a smartphone, right? So there you go. For a price of $14.99, which with taxes and shipping and all that probably stuff, it's more like 15 bucks. I think it's a really good buy. The construction, it is plastic, keep that in mind, but you're not going to be breaking it. That's the thing, you know, it's not going to break on you unless you're a uncivilized chimpanzee that likes to throw everything you own. Then yeah, it's probably going to break on you just like any other microphone would. So don't do that. All right, Epic Gamers, don't do that. The cable is nice and long. You do have enough room. I'm just sitting away from my computer right now, so I'm not really using the full length of it. But if you need to sit far away, yeah, it's going to work. It's more than 6 feet, and you shouldn't have any trouble with that, honestly. You know, it's just really long, and I don't know why you'd be that far away anyways. You know, you got to be at the computer managing things anyways. So yeah, the cable length is sustainable. It is long. It is okay by my standards. Quality, well, there you go. There's the quality. I do recommend it if you're looking for a affordable, cheaper upgrade. You don't want to spend like $70 on like Blue Snowball or whatever, or one of those type of microphones. Then yeah, I would definitely recommend one of these. Also, if you're like into that whole like RGB lighting craze, it has like a blue LED in there, so there you go. You're gonna be nice and popular with all your Fortnite friends. But yeah, guys, this is it for the FiFine K053 or K053 microphone. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think of the FiFine K053 in the comment section down below. Oh, and I will have the user's guide on screen right about now, around here somewhere. So if you have the microphone or you're interested in what the microphone can do, its specs and all that, you can see it on the video, so you don't have to go through any like websites or anything. So yeah, you're welcome. Thanks for watching, guys, and thank you to FiFine for sending me this, which is gracias. Thank you. And yeah, that has been the video review of the FiFine Technology K053 microphone. As always, guys, take it easy.